Hey there, do you need some help getting ready for the FTCE? This video is for the General Knowledge Test, English Language Skills Subtest. The subtopic is Knowledge of Vocabulary Application. The test code is 082 and the subtest code is 826. My name is Dani. I'm a certified K-8 teacher and teacher leader currently teaching 5th grade ELA. I'm also a test prep expert for Study.com. In this video, we'll go over testing strategies for 4 sample questions from this exam to help get you feeling confident for test day. Ready? Let's go! Problem 1. Although everyone in his family is very loquacious, he hardly talks at all. Which of the following words has the same meaning as the word loquacious as it is used in the sentence? The question is asking which option has the same meaning as the word loquacious. The context clues in the sentence are although and hardly talks at all. Although indicates that loquacious means the opposite of hardly talks at all. Option 1, social. While that is different than hardly talking at all, the sentence doesn't indicate the amount of people he talks to. So social is not the best answer. Option 2, chatty. That is the opposite of hardly talking at all. This is probably the best answer. Option 3, accommodating. He's not providing for anyone in this sentence. Option 4, expressive. This could mean more than just being verbally expressive. The correct answer is chatty. The phrase, he hardly talks at all, serves as a context clue to understand the meaning of the target word. An employee is writing a resignation letter to her boss. Which of the following would be the most appropriate opening statement for the letter? So we want the most appropriate opening statement for a resignation letter. It should be formal and respectful. Let's look at our options. Option 1. Due to the insurmountable stipulations of this job, I may not be of the opinion that I can perform this job anymore. While the language is formal, it is not concise. The wording is awkward. Option 2. Please accept this letter as formal notification that I am resigning from my position. This option is formal, respectful, and concise. Option 3. Good day. I would like to inform you that another company offered me a higher salary with better benefits. This option doesn't state the resignation clearly. Option 4. I resign. I am not happy with this company anymore. This option is not respectful. A resignation letter should be formal. The reason for the resignation should be stated, but it should be done in a respectful and concise way, as shown in the second option. Samantha sets the ball pretty good during her volleyball games. This sentence can be fixed by... In this problem, we have to identify what is wrong with this sentence and fix it. The first option says removing the word pretty. Removing the word pretty isn't necessary to fix this sentence. The next option says using the adverb well instead of the adjective good. Since good is being used to describe the verb sets, that is incorrect, and using well would fix that problem. Option 3. Using the word sits instead of sets. Sets is correct in this sentence and needs no change. Our last option says inserting an exclamation mark at the end. An exclamation mark is unnecessary in this sentence. The correct answer is using the adverb well instead of the adjective good. In the sentence, the adjective good is misused since it is not describing a noun. Which of the following is an example of a first-person point of view? So we have to identify the sentence that shows an example of first-person point of view. Since first-person point of view means that the story is being told from the perspective of someone in the story, there are some clues we can look for, such as the use of the pronoun I. Option 1. The toddler likes to play with babies. This sentence is written in third-person point of view, since it is not told from someone's personal perspective. Option 2. I am interested in reading fantasy. This sentence does have evidence that it's told in first-person point of view, since it is coming from the view of someone in the story. Option 3. The dogs enjoy going to the park. This also appears to be told in third-person point of view, as there is no evidence that it's being told from someone's personal perspective. Option 4. You are a student in the class. Since this sentence uses the pronoun you, it is written in second-person point of view, not first-person point of view. The first-person point of view is told from a personal perspective and uses first-person pronouns like I. The first-person point of view gives insight into characters' inner workings and thoughts, such as we saw in option 2. I hope this video was helpful and that you're feeling more comfortable with how to approach the test. Check out more videos in this channel to get additional help for the test, and like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also get lots of help preparing for this and many other exams on the study.com website. As a member, you can access short, targeted lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice questions like the ones we just went over. We'd love to hear about your experience and what else we can do to help you get ready for your test. So leave a comment below with your suggestions, questions, and even come back and share with us how you did. Study strong and all the best on your test.